Xander, what are you doing?
Having fun.
Exactly. Some days we have fun, some days blow. This one's been kind of half and half. I mean, you know. But look at that. It's cutting right through that schmutz. You can kind of see that it's actually aluminum. So yeah, he's scrubbing up the heavy, loosening up the heavy schmutz. Just got to kind of break it up because we hit it with another coat of the goods here. And then Xander's going to be pressure wash machine. So that converter has a reman stamp on it. I know Mark's going to point that out. So it's been out at some point, but probably a very, very long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Maybe this is out of the Millennium Falcon. Hi, Birdsey! I know I'm number one. Nobody loved him as a child.
Who, Bernsey?
Yeah.
Why?
Birdsey, I already did that, and I'll give you 2 guesses on who put it back inside because it's a good box. They're not the one of us standing here, I'll tell you that.
Fucking orders!
Takes one to know one. Oh, I thought you said whores. Same difference. Anyway, pressure washer, next step. That's more fun, Xander. Don't worry. It's more fun than scrubbing, I promise.
Alright, pressure washing. Yeah, I know. I play a game that's just about pressure washing.
Yeah. Hey, you got it. All right. This will be pretty clean, I think, when we're done with it. Good job, sir. Mucho better. Already.